Hello crafty friends, it's Antonia here today with my first layouts made with the July 2024 hip kits. And for this layout I am using the main kit, the embellishment kit, the cardstock kit and a couple of Cutfiles from the July releases, the Sandcastle and the ice cream Cutfiles. So as you can see, I have made two super simple layouts, and they were, once the Cutfiles were cut out, they were so easy to put together that I decided to include both of them in the one process video. So as you can see here, I have made a start using the parasol from the Sandcastle Cutfile, and I ended up cutting two parasol shapes and an extra one which I use for the backing, which is just the outline of the parasol, but it doesn't include the negative bits being cut out from the middle. So this is a method that I often use when using Cutfiles. I just find this a much neater and tidier way of attaching the pattern paper and cardstock bits to the Cutfile shape, because I end up gluing it to the backing rather than the backside of the Cutfile shape. and I'm tidying away, which must mean that this layout has been completed. And here I make a start on the second one. So again, I'm starting with the background for my cut file, which is the main outline of the cut file, and I'm just gluing the individual bits of cardstock onto it before adding the main cut file. So for this layout I use the ice cream cut files from the July releases, and I only used one of the ice creams, which is the one with the cone, and I created a background by multiplying it on my Silhouette software and spreading them out across the page, making sure that the individual shapes are slightly overlapping at the edges, and then I welded the shapes together. So this means that the outlines of the ice cream cones were welded, but the details didn't disappear. Here are a few details of my completed layout. I do hope you find my process video inspiring. And just to remind you that you can purchase our cut files individually, or if you subscribe to our monthly kits, you will have free access to all the monthly cut file releases. As a subscriber, you will automatically receive the main kit each month at a discounted price, and you'll also have a 15% discount on any add-on kits, and these add-on kits will ship free along with the main kit. So happy scrapping and thanks for watching. Bye now.